So we're looking at supplementary. So remember, supplementary is 180 degrees because it's sitting on that line. So just as a refresher with just x and 71, so we know it's going to be 180. So to find our missing angle, we'll just subtract it by 71. So we get 109 for our missing angle. Okay, and again, these should both add up to 180. All right, so now let's look at some with our algebra in it. So we have, here's our two angles. Okay, so we know it's going to equal 180, 180. Okay, so we're going to add up our x's. We have 1, 2x. This time it's a negative 16 or minus 16, so there's nothing to combine it with, so we're going to have a minus 16 here. Okay, and now we can solve. So again, cover up your x's. What are the opposite of minus 16? Which is plus 16. Those cancel. We're going to bring down our 2x. We're adding this time, so it's going to be 196. 2x is multiplication, so the opposite is division. Divide by 2, so 2 into 196, which is 98. So x equals 98. Okay, so again, we got to find each angle. So we know this one's just x, so it's going to be 98. And then this one, we're going to take our angle and plug in x. So this one's going to be 98 minus 16. Which is 82. And so there we have both of our angles. And again, these should add up to 180. All right, so let's look at another one. This one's a little bit different than the ones that we've just done previously. So again, we've got equals 180. Okay, so we're going to combine our x's. We have 3x and 2x, so 3 plus 2 makes 5x. This time we have two numbers to combine. We've got a minus 10 and a positive 5. And so those are different signs, so we subtract them. Takes on the larger, so it's going to be minus. So we get 5x minus 5 equals 180. Now we can solve. So we're going to cover up our x's. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. We get 5x, and then 185. We're going to divide by 5. So 5 into 185. So 5 will go into 18 3 times. And then 5 will go into 35 7 times. So x is equal to 37. All right, so this one's going to require a little bit more math to find each angle. So let's do the one on the right first. So we're going to times our x by 2 and then add 5. So we're going to do 37 times 2, which is 74, and then we're going to add 5, which makes it 79. Okay, this one says to times it by 3 and then minus 10. So we're going to do 37 times 3, which is 101. And then we're going to minus 10, which is 91. And again, just do a quick look to see, will those add up to 90 or 180? And they do. Oop, hang on, I mismultiplied up here. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So that should be a 0. There we go. Didn't look right. 101. Because that does not add up to 180. It adds up to 170. So that's why we always double check. 101 degrees. All right. Now that adds up to 180. All right. So now the next video is going to be our triangles.